Hey guys, we are back in Build a Boat for Treasure. So apparently we got some bad news. They deleted the face, the circle face thing. So anyways, back to building. Got some items. Yeah, some items. Items, okay? Good, friendly items. I'm gonna actually try to build a boat here. Oh, actually that's pretty good. No, that's too much. I'll do that. This will be the exact. Perfect. Now what I need to do is do that again. And again. And then we're gonna do this. I don't want it to be glitching. No, is it glitching again? It's glitching. And ooh, perfect. And then this is really hard. So give your respect. By hitting the subscribe button and like new catchphrase award. Hit the subscribe button like you hit the gritty. Perfect. Oh, boop. Oh my, did you see that? Oh my goodness. I swear I see that person every single time. Ah! Oh! Okay, this is the hard part. Making the end. My character can jump high. You guys know this? Comment down below. Ooh. I'm not trying to be one of those YouTubers. Sorry. Yeah. Do you think I should add a force field? I'm adding one. Like, why not? Okay? It's just a force field. Where is the seat? Okay, this. Wait a second. I stay down.
Okay, put this in on top of the drawer. Okay. You know which one, right? Up there. Thank you.
Okay guys, we're back. I just went to do something real quick. Anyways, ignore that. Sorry. No. Force field? Activate. No, it shouldn't be right there. Should it? No. Ah! Fine. On top of the chair. But I'm not happy about it. Okay, fine, I'm happy about it. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. Oh no. Yeah. Where's my force field? There it is. And also, I'm gonna boop. Add some of this. You know, make it more spicy. It's like when you give some chicken some spice. This is the balloons is the spice. Oh, sorry, ignore that. It's my no focus, okay? Is that all that I have? Yeah, 6 more. This is really hard. No! Boop, 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 boop. Max, okay. Okay, that's good. Now let's hit the grid. Let's go. Ah! Please tell me that's enough. Ah! Oh my goodness. Is this even a boat? Come on. Boat, activate. Super boat power. Ah! Oi. Okay. Shake that booty. Shake that. Go, go. Good thing I have a force field. I don't know how to activate it, but I got it. There we go. I got my force field now. I got my plane. Nothing could go wrong ever again. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. Wow. Like that theme song? Maybe. Ah. No. Ah. Go. Why did I press that? Why did I press that? Ah! No, my first field. My first field. Ah! That was a bust. Claim, claim. I already claimed. Blah. Good thing I got my airplane ready. Yes, I have an airplane. Anyways, mind your own business. No. Perfect. Now, let's go! Before it's too late. Wahoo! Sorry, my phone is out of juice. I will continue this later. So I can subscribe and bye! How do I end this?